Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and today what we're going to do is we're going to have a shish kebab.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Alright, so we didn't exactly explain how we were going to do this. This is a broiling pan. I'm going to create these, and you can see how I put them together, and then we'll put them in the broiler and broil them, and then I'll show you the end product. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to put this in for 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip it. After 5 minutes, they need to be turned. Of the second oven that we have. This home comes with 2 ovens.
The smell in the house right now is utterly delicious. And
That's what we're looking at.
5 minutes of broiling, 5 minutes of baking.
Want me to flip it around?
Do they look done? Got the facial.
Got the facial.
Just turn them around the opposite way, and they probably need another 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, I think they'll need it. Don't forget to turn off your broiler. We're going to do it on both sides. Cancel, cancel.
So for those of you who haven't had shish kebab in a restaurant, here's how you remove it. You bring it over, you hold it from the non-pointy end, and then you just pull it straight down. And I want to test and see the doneness of... Oh yeah. It's very nice and very tasty. Enjoy your shish kebabs.
And I'm going to show you how delicious they are in a few minutes. I'm going to eat the mushroom first, my favorite. Oh, perfect. Everything is nice and hot.
And we're starving.
We've been at it for hours. You know, if you're watching this, maybe 10, 12 minutes. We've been at it for 3-4 hours by the time you see it. It's amazing how much time is cut in the editing process. Wow, that's hot.
Is it tasty?
Mmm.
Okay. We'll see you later, guys. Have fun making shish kebabs, and don't forget to use the quick fixes if you don't want to spend as much time as we did.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.